Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing dessert candle. Let's get started. I'm gonna use 200 grams of pillar mold soy wax, Stabilo 16 cotton wick, 6% scented oil, glossy varnish, cherry silicone mold, brown dye flakes and red dye, and one more silicone mold for the base. Once the wax is fully melted, I will add the scented oil and I will mix continuously for around 2 minutes to make sure that it's fully incorporated. Now I will separate the mix into two parts. One will be used for the base and the other one for the cherries. I will do some tests on a paper to see if the color is what I want. Before pouring the wax in the silicone molds, I will heat it with the heat gun. This will give a smooth and glossy surface to the wax. Now that the cherries are ready, it's time to give them some shadows, and for this I'm gonna use some eyeshadow. I will use black and white color to give this realistic effect of a cherry. With the knife, I will soften the edges to make them more rounded. Once the cherries are ready and the stems are painted, I will dip them in glossy varnish for the final touch. After removing the base from the silicone mold, I will scratch the surface to create this cake effect. If you don't have this tool, a toothpick works perfectly as well. Once the two layers are in place, I will pour some chocolate-like wax on top and place the cherries to fix them. And here we are, my candle is ready and it looks absolutely amazing and delicious. I hope you enjoyed my video. See you!